Hello everyone, I hope you will be fine. As you know, we have started the After Effects series and this is the fourth video on Adobe After Effects. In previous videos you have learned the scale animation which we have applied to a logo. In this tutorial we will learn how to rotate the logo or any image along with the scale animation. Another thing which we learn is how to add text, and we will also apply the opacity from the transform options. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Okay, the first step is to create a new composition. Click on new composition. You can also check the detailed video on the composition topic. Link is provided on the top of the video. Add the name whatever you want. Preset is HD TV 1080 24 pixels, in which the width 1920 and height 1080 pixels automatically added, and the time length is 10 seconds. Color is black. Click OK. To add the background, left click in the timeline, go to new and click on solid. Pick any color from here. Next step is to import any image. Double click in the project window, choose any image, click on import. Place the image on the top, otherwise it will hide behind the background. Now we have to decrease the size of the image. If you hold the space bar, you can move the composition panel like this. To zoom in and out, hold the Alt key and use the scroll wheel of the mouse. Hold any anchor point and decrease its size. Hold the Shift key while decreasing or increasing the size. It will keep the size of the image proportional. Adjust the screen in the center. You can fit the screen from here. Open the transform properties. We will add the rotation. While increasing the properties from the right side by dragging, you can see as it reaches to 360 degree, one round will be added in the left properties. You can add the number directly in it. Click on the stopwatch icon. Keyframe is added on 1 second where the rotation is 0. Move the slider to 2 seconds. Add 1 round in it. Add 1 round for rotation. Click anywhere, second keyframe will be added. Play the animation with spacebar. You can see the logo completes its 1 round. Now we will also add the scale animation along with the rotation. Decrease the size to 0 on first keyframe. Now it will never show on because the size is 0. Move the slider to 2 seconds and increase the size to 9%. Now play it. You can decrease the time length by selecting the both last keyframes. Now it will play fast. Now we will add text. Select the text tool from the tool panel. Write any text. I am typing fatimahgraphics. Select the move tool from the tool panel and move the text in the center. You can find the align panel from the right side. You can also align it from here. Now select text layer. Double click on the text. The character panel will be open. You can increase or decrease the size from here or change the font style or weight. Align it in the center. Open the transform properties of the text layer and go to the opacity. Move the slider to 1 second. Click on the stopwatch to add a keyframe. Decrease the opacity to 0. It will disappear on 0%. Move the slider a little bit forward. and increase the opacity to 100%. Play the slider, it will look like this. You can adjust it according to your choice, like where you want that it should appear. Now you can see that the logo rotates while scaling up, and text appears after that. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.